In this video, we're going to look at this example where the text are revealed from the center. Let's begin by adding the text clip. Come here to the add and title and drag it on a timeline. Select the text, go to the text editor and change the text. Select the text, change the font size to 16 and the thickness to extra bold. And if you want to, you can change the color and click OK and OK. Let's add another text clip. Select the text and change the text. Select the text and change to 60 and the thickness to demi bold. And if you want to, you can also change the color and click OK and OK. Select the second text and from the position Y, drag it down here. And now let's add our solid clip. So go to the add, solid, and drag it on the timeline. Select the solid. In the position X value, type 1. And in the Y value, type 1080. Add the second solid. Select the solid. In the position X value, type 1919. And in the Y value, type -5. And change the opacity to 50. And select the other solid and change the opacity to 50. And now let's animate the text. Select the first text. From the X position, drag it into hiding. Let's move this a little bit up here. Keyframe it. Move this out somewhere here. And drag the text out. And move the marker here. And select the second text. Go into hiding. And from the Y value, move a little bit up somewhere here. Keyframe it. Move the marker somewhere here. And drag it out to reveal the text. Let's drag the marker here and get the text into hiding again. So select the first text. Keyframe it. Move the marker here. And drag it back into hiding. Move the marker here. Select the second text. Keyframe. Move the marker here. And drag it into hiding. Select this keyframe. Right click. Bezier. Select this other keyframe. Right click. Bezier. And select the first text. Do the same. Select the keyframe here. Right click. Bezier. Select this keyframe. Right click and Bezier. So that's all we need for the keyframe of the text. Now let's select the first solid. Go to the solid properties and change the opacity back to 100 and change the color to black and click OK. Let's do the same for the second solid. Change the opacity to 100 and color to black. Now let's play our animation. So now it's time to nest them. So hold down Ctrl A to select them. Right click and nest. Delete the audio clip. Ctrl L to unlink. Select the audio clip and delete it. Drag the nested sequence up here and import a video clip onto the timeline. Select the nested sequence. Come to the add video effect and apply Luma Key. Change the upper limit of the Luma Key to 0. Again, if you want to change the properties of the text, you can double click on the nested sequence, select the text and change. And if you want to get it back into the nested sequence, double click on the sequence. That's all for this video, and if you have learned something, please do consider subscribe to our channel if you're new. And we would like to take this time to thank everyone who have subscribed to our channel. Thank you again and see you all in the next video.